Welcome to our newest guide for beginners. Today we'll be delving into the world of Amiclear and its incredible role in controlling low blood sugar levels. This topic is important for anyone with diabetes, or who are at risk of developing the disease, and even for those simply curious about the human body's internal workings. Ever wondered what blood sugar is and how it affects your health? It's simply the amount of glucose, the main type of sugar in your blood, that powers your organs to function properly. Low blood sugar, also known as hypoglycemia, can cause an array of issues ranging from mild to severe, so tuning in will not only widen your understandings but may also save a life. Now it's time to meet our hero in this story, Omniclear. This medication works magic in maintaining normal blood sugar levels, minimizing the risk of diabetes complications. Time to get a grasp of how a small pill can make a huge impact on your life. Ingesting pills might seem straightforward, but going into detail and explaining proper usage and timing can ensure maximum effectiveness of the drug. So, let's dive into the how-to guide and learn the correct way to take Amiclear. Well, that wraps up our guide on Amiclear. You may not become a doctor by watching this, but you'll surely gain a better understanding of your body and the vital role of Amiclear in controlling your blood sugar levels. Take care of your health, and don't forget to tune in for more health-related videos.